Hi everyone, welcome to TGIF. Another episode, another Friday, another guest. This time we have Ishita Aishwarya, who is a surface specialist for Microsoft India. Ishita, welcome to TGIF.
Thank you, Sandeep.
This time we're going to talk about this beautiful device. By the way, Ishita, I've been using this device for almost 4 months now. Truly makes me productive as I host customers from this meeting room, right? And for our viewers, if they're thinking, why should they consider buying a Surface Sub 2S? What's your take on that?
So, Sandeep, today most of the organizations are looking for opening their workplaces and not have the 100% employees come in, but maybe some connected remotely, some connected out of the office workspace, and yet abide to all the social norms.
Right.
And therefore, we've got Surface Hub 2S, which is the only unified communication device on a single platform that brings to you audio, video conferencing, and content sharing features together. And you see how sleek, thin, lightweight this device is, which can move from one meeting room to the other, an open space where you can collaborate, ideate, think together. And look at the picture screen resolution. It has 4K plus resolution.
Right.
It has a high-end enhanced camera, speakers, microphones, pen that you can play around with.
Absolutely.
And this is just a plug-and-play device that we give
Wonderful.
to you.
You use the term plug and play. All of us are used to one specific type of joining meetings, right? We walk into a conference room and we figure out in the first 5 minutes which Wi to connect and which screen to project. And I was talking to you, said Sandeep, with Surface Hub 2S, it's going to be single-click experience. Can you just witness that?
Absolutely, Sandeep. So you've got a calendar invite here. You know you have to join this meeting, and it's just a click away from you to join the meeting.
Perfect. Let's
See
how that
how
works out.
quick it is.
Awesome. And I see our colleague Bapi was joined. Hey Bapi.
Hey, Bapi.
Hey everyone, how are you?
Wonderful. Thanks for joining in. And by the way, we're just demonstrating the power of collaboration using Surface Hub 2S. And let's see how we can demonstrate collaboration while you're in a different location. And we'll see how seamless that becomes, right? So let's do one thing. Let me share my whiteboard, right? So you had a few thoughts to share. So why don't we just get started?
Sure, I just wanted to discuss about this bar diagram. I think these numbers look too high. What do you think, Ishita?
What I feel is that there has been a 75% growth here. So you're referring to the purple bar here? So Sandeep, I just wanted to highlight here one use case scenario where most of the organizations have a single presenter.
Right.
And in that case, the single presenter gets the entitlement to work on the presentation, and you don't have co-authoring benefits there. So why don't you get started with the information here and show me a flowchart, Bapi? I will start ideating on the flowchart. How does it work?
Sure.
Perfect.
So in this case, I was wondering for the new project, how about we go ahead with the three-phased
Can you make
approach?
it bigger?
Amazing.
Perfect.
Yes, Bapi, I like the plan. So first is when we plan, but don't you think we should spend some time ideating here? Do you think it would be a great idea? First, we try and understand what we plan looks like, how long will the duration take here for the designing, and how do we move forward to it, right? And this is what I wanted to highlight, Sandeep, that co-authoring becomes so easy, especially in today's scenario where most of the employees are connected remotely. Create a little more interactive work culture, and that's an experience we are talking about.
Perfect. Awesome. Thanks so much. Bapi, thank you so much for joining in. We'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye for now. Okay. So, Ishita, we just finished a short discussion, but for us to pretty much, I'm in the conference room, job is done. Again, a single click, I guess, end session.
Absolutely, and it wipes away all your data, keeping the security feature in hand, because we do understand this Hub 2S device will walk up to some other team, they'll start utilizing it, and therefore keeping the security features, the data is completely 100% wiped off and safe for somebody else to use.
Perfect. The whiteboard that we just authored, that's in the cloud. But for anybody who walks in now, this device is ready. Awesome.
We'll still find it on the cloud.
Awesome. That's great. Your final comments as we close?
So, as Microsoft and especially our Surface devices, what we believe is technology should take the people forward, build in a more connected work culture that brings the best out of them, and not just the technology.
Awesome, you said it right. Thanks so much, and for viewers, thank you so much for joining today. Happy learning and a wonderful weekend ahead. Bye-bye.